In my last video, I showed you a barndominium for $70,000. The comments went wild. Some of you found it, some of you couldn't, and one person called it AI bullshit. Fair enough. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain completely. What that 70K actually includes, what it doesn't, and the real number you should be budgeting before you call a single manufacturer. Stay through this because the gap between the $70,000 base price and the actual move-in cost surprises almost everyone, and there's one specific line item that adds $8,000 to $25,000 that most manufacturers don't mention until after you signed. I'm showing you exactly what it is and how to ask about it up front. What the 70K actually is. Let's be precise about what $70,000 buys you. That price point reflects HUD-code factory-built modular units in the 600 to 800 square foot range from manufacturers like Clayton Homes, Cavco Industries, and Champion Home Builders, three real, verifiable companies you can call today. HUD-code means the unit is built to federal manufactured housing standards inside a climate-controlled factory. Every wall panel is pre-insulated, pre-wired, and precision-cut before it leaves the building. That factory efficiency is exactly why the price is possible. What you get at base price, the unit itself, 4 walls, a roof, windows, doors, basic kitchen and bathroom fixtures, flooring, mini-split HVAC, and electrical panel, a complete living structure. What the base price assumes is the unit arrives at a flat, prepared, accessible site with utilities already waiting. That assumption is where most people's budgets start falling apart.
What's not included? Here's the honest breakdown of everything the base price doesn't cover. Land. The $70,000 buys the structure. It does not include the lot it sits on. Rural land in moderate markets runs $20,000 to $60,000 for 2 to 5 acres. In Tennessee, Virginia, or the Carolinas, viewers who've been asking expect $30,000 to $80,000 for comparable acreage. Site preparation. Clearing, grading, and access road. Flat open lot, $3,000 to $6,000. Wooded lot with a slope, $8,000 to $15,000. Foundation. This is the line item I mentioned earlier. Many manufacturers quote base price assuming a pier and block setup, the cheapest option. But many counties require a permanent concrete foundation for a structure classified as a primary residence. Permanent foundation, $8,000 to $15,000. Some lenders won't finance without it. Some counties won't permit without it. Ask before you buy. Delivery and installation. Shipping a factory unit 100 to 300 miles runs $3,000 to $8,000. Beyond 300 miles adds cost significantly. Installation and crane setup adds another $2,000 to $5,000. Utility connections. Water, electric, and sewer or septic hookup. In suburban areas with existing infrastructure, $5,000 to $10,000. Rural areas requiring a well and septic system, $15,000 to $28,000. Permits, $1,500 to $5,000 depending on state and county. The real number. Let's add it up honestly. Base unit, $70,000. Land in a moderate market, $35,000. Site prep, $6,000. Permanent foundation, $12,000. Delivery and installation, $6,000. Well and septic, rural, $20,000. Permits, $3,000. Real move-in cost, $152,000. That's more than double the base price. Is it still a good deal for a finished barndominium on your own land? Absolutely. $152,000 for a completed rural homestead is genuinely competitive in 2026. But it's not $70,000. Anyone who told you it was $70,000 out the door, including me in that last video, owed you this breakdown.
How to avoid hidden costs. Here's exactly how to protect yourself before signing anything with any manufacturer. ask for the all-in estimate, not the base price. Any reputable manufacturer will provide a worksheet showing base unit, delivery, installation, and site requirements. If they won't, walk away. Check your county's foundation requirements before you choose a unit. Call the building department directly. Ask, will you permit a HUD-code manufactured home on a pier foundation as a primary residence? Some counties say yes, some say no. No before you buy. Get a site evaluation before you commit. Have a contractor walk your land and give you a written site prep estimate. Flat, clear, accessible land is $3,000. Sloped, wooded, or hard-to-access land is $15,000. The difference matters. Confirm utility availability. Ask your county if water and sewer are available at your lot line. If not, budget for well and septic. That $20,000 line item catches people completely off guard. Get 3 quotes from 3 manufacturers. Clayton, Cavco, and Champion all operate nationally. Pricing varies by region, model, and current material costs. One quote is never enough. The honest verdict. So, is the $70,000 Barndominium real? Yes, the unit is real, the manufacturers are real, the factory efficiency is real. $70,000 buys you a genuine, livable, well-built structure that comes off a factory floor in better condition than most site-built homes at twice the price. Is $70,000 your total cost? No, never. And anyone who suggests otherwise is either confused or not being straight with you. The honest number for a complete, move-in-ready Barndominium-style home on your own rural land using a factory-built HUD-code unit as the foundation of the build is $140,000 to $175,000, depending on your location, land cost, and finish choices. That's still an incredible price point in residential construction in 2026. It's just not $70,000, and you deserve to know that from the beginning. I owed you this video, not because the original was wrong, the unit is real, the price is real, but because the full picture matters more than the exciting number. You're making a decision that affects your finances, your family, and years of your life. You deserve the complete truth, not just the headline. $140,000 to $175,000 for a finished Barndominium on your own land is still an incredible deal in 2026. Go in with the real number, ask the right questions, and you'll build something that lasts without a single financial surprise. Which hidden cost surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if this channel has helped you build smarter, subscribe, because this is exactly what I'm here to do. No hype, no shortcuts, just the real numbers.